Good morning, everybody. Today I'm at the Gerry Maloney Nature Area here in Madison, South Dakota. Let's see what we can see. The trail is quite icy today, so I have to be careful. I'm sure I'll fall at least once. That's sort of how I am on the ice. I'm already slipping and sliding, but let's see how we do here. Very, very icy. Glad I wore my boots. Glad I got my hiking pole. Let's see how we do. Very snowy and icy. Makes it all the more fun. This is the prairie trail. Kind of comes along where there's some city here, but farmland. Kind of the north side of the city of Madison. Nice little trail. Just finished the prairie trail onto the woodland trail. Hard to tell, but this does go down. It's pretty darn icy, so I'm not going to film on the way down. But here we go to the woodland trail. Okay, so that wasn't as bad as I thought it was, but it's still pretty icy. And everybody knows how I love bridges. But let's get a little view of the little stream here, and we'll come across on the other side. And let's go see what else we can see. Again, this is the Woodland Trail at Gerry Maloney Nature Area, just north of Madison, South Dakota. I'm doing my best to guess that this is the trail. Seems to be the most traveled area. I hope I'm staying on trail. I hate to going off trail in an area that's a nature area, but this seems to be what's traveled, and let's see how it goes. What a dust brown on the snow out here. Must be from, I'm guessing it's from farmers plowing. Just dust gets in there and settles on the snow. Definitely snowing. Thankful for whoever was out here before that did the post holing for me. Who lives down there.